Hello, teachers. Have you wondered what type of courses that are free and also online that you can take at home? Now, I've tried a lot of courses online, but here in this video, I would like to show you the free online courses that I personally found to be the best. I hope you will also like the courses. Let's dive in. My objective behind my recommendation is that the other day I went on Google Trends. Although people stay at home all day, you think people may lie in bed all day or become less productive. But according to Google Trends, you can see in the last 30 days, the search volume of online courses has gone up by 30%. If you also see the other cross comparison, even more shocking results of 50% growth of free courses. So if you combine both, the result is free online courses. So that's why today I would like to show you my favorite channel for online learning platform. I will be using LinkedIn Online Learning. This is my profile, and this is where you go to the online learning platform for LinkedIn Learning. And you can see I have just done about 35 minutes this week, and I still got 120 minutes to go. You obviously can set up how many minutes you want to do. There are 6 great benefits. First of all, the LinkedIn Online Learning is completely free to sign up for a month free trial. And second benefit is you can really find all types of courses, as what I said before. And the third benefit really is the speakers are sensational corporate trainers or teaching practitioners. The next benefit is that all the courses are split into 1 to 5 minutes videos. So for example, each course, the courses I'm recommending today is about 30 minutes to an hour, but they also are split up into 1 to 5 minutes short clips. You can watch maybe a few videos a day, and the next day you can watch other videos. You won't feel like you're completely off the track. For example, I always go out for a walk and I listen to the courses. They're also free downloadable exercise sheets and simple exams at the end of the course so that you can evaluate your learning. And the last benefit is the course, they may not be directly linked to teaching, but nevertheless you can learn general soft skills which will be beneficial to you as a teacher. I am going to show you the 4 courses still related to teaching. So the course I would like to introduce you is Digital Body Language. Now, Digital Body Language, this is a great course which explains how to use digital body language to close the empathy gap. It further elaborates what to and what not to respond in order to show your best intent and find the most suitable voice behind the screen. The second course is my favorite course so far out of 30 courses I've listened to. Credibility, establishing credibility as a speaker. This course shows you how to earn attention and interest of your audience at the first instant. In addition, this course demonstrates a few simple steps to state your credentials without sounding like you are a bragger. The next one is impromptu speaking. This course offers you get-go techniques to structure your impromptu speech and how to deal with short preparation time or special circumstances when you're put on the spot. And last, Jodie Glickman on pitching yourself. The speaker Jodie has vivid examples of selling her ideas, her stories, and herself. This course teaches you 3 easy steps to a successful pitch. So if you are looking to get an interview or getting a promotion, I think this skill is an absolute must. Alright, if you still have not been bored, that means you probably really want to learn more. Now, I offer you a bonus course which is
called How to Project Your Vocal Confidence. This course is teaching tips and tricks for better projecting the voice and some tips for strengthening the power of your voice and correct your breathing. I think this will be wonderful for training to be a better teacher, to project better confidence in front of students.
I hope the recommendation of online courses is useful. Press like or subscribe to my channel for further update. I will at least update a video a week. Thank you. 再见。